Yeah. Kamusta, Yuan? Magstay ka lang dun. Baka hanapin ka na lang. Sir, saan ka punta, sir?
Doc Jason! Mga idol nandito po nga.
Here comes the hurricane, bitch. 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 Oh! Katrina, Katrina, Katrina. Katrina, Katrina, Katrina. Katrina, Katrina, Katrina. Ow!
Ano yan? Wala, kailangan pala ganyan eh. Afternoon po.
Oh, I got a shit! Oh, I got a shit! Oh, I got a shit!
Before I start my proposal defense, let us all first pray and magnify the Son and Holy Spirit. Father, I have spent so much time with you on this defense. Help those who are evaluating me to see my defense for all its worth.
This is a Catholic school, Zoe!
Kahit na,
4! Mangilabot ka sa sinasabi mo!
hindi ko babawiin.
3! Mas marunong ka pa sa akin?
Maybe.
2! Hindi ka naniniwala sa Diyos?
I never said that, sister.
1! You will rot in hell!
I am Catalina Alarin Arevalo and I am a second-year Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and I will be presenting my proposal defense entitled Different Variations of English, and the most commonly used English is the American and the UK English, and there are also variations such as Nigerian English or Indian English, and we also have Filipino English.
My family, I always bring him because he's just.
So the definition of social anxiety, according to Rose 2020, is that it is a type of psychological condition or mental health condition that affects individual's life. So it is more than just shyness, it is more than just being nervous.
Michael Jackson stole my earphones. Give them back.
If the jiwa of the students is high, thus is it inversely proportional to the social anxiety level of the student? Is it also high or low? So that is all. So if you have any questions, this is the part where you guys ask.
Congratulations, Miss Arevalo. You may give the defense room for a few minutes for the deliberation.
Inasal talagang work si Kuya Jason.
Happy birthday, Rhea!
Ah, shit, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go.
That's my ride.
It just